How's it going, YouTube? Today I'm going to be teaching you about a topic that's very near and dear to my heart, and that topic is keyboard shortcuts. I constantly see far too many people wasting far too much time and effort simply because they do not use keyboard shortcuts. So today I hope I can help you save some time and get a lot more control over your computer. Alright, so first off we'll go over some simple shortcuts that can be used in pretty much any case when you're dealing with text. Our first keyboard shortcut is select. So to do this, you'll hold down Control and Shift and use the right and left arrow keys to select one word at a time, or the up and down arrow keys to highlight entire paragraphs at a time. Alright, so our next keyboard shortcut is copy. So to copy a bit of text, all you have to do is highlight it and hit Control-C to copy it to your clipboard, and that leads us to our next shortcut, paste, which is Control-V. Now say you want to copy something and paste it and move it from where it was in the first place. What you're going to do then is highlight what you want and hit Control-X to cut. Then you can move it wherever you want and hit paste. Now I don't want that there, so the next shortcut we're going to learn is undo, which is Control-Z. So that just undid that paste. And if I wanted to redo that, all I would do is hit Control-Y and it's back. But I don't want that there, so Control-Z to undo. If you want to select all text, all you have to do is hit Control-A to select all. Now say you want to search for a particular word in a Word document or a web page. All you have to do is hit Control-F and that will bring up the search bar. You can begin to type in any word that you want, and it'll highlight it in the text. So now say you want to take a screenshot of whatever's on your computer screen. All you're going to have to do is hit Windows key, Shift, S. That'll darken your page and you'll be able to select what you want to screenshot. This will pop up and you'll click on this and you can either hit Save, Copy to Clipboard, which it already has done, or New Screenshot, and it'll let you redo your screenshot. Alright. I don't want to save that, so I'm just going to close this. But you can see that it copied to the clipboard by pasting it in as such. Now to screenshot everything across all your displays, you're going to hit Windows and Print Screen. Now, copied to your clipboard will be an image of whatever your screen was. So, if I paste that in, you can see that this is my left monitor where I'm recording this video, and this is the right monitor where you're already seeing. Hit undo to get rid of that. Alright, Task Manager. This is probably the first keyboard shortcut I ever learned. This is really helpful if a program crashes and you can't get out of it. My first instinct is always Control-Alt-Delete. That brings up this screen where you can sign out, switch user, lock your computer, or go to Task Manager. And in Task Manager you can see everything that is running on your computer, from apps to background processes, etc. You can go directly to Task Manager by pressing Control-Shift-Escape. Alright, the next thing I have to show you is really helpful if you have a lot of windows open or a lot of applications. All you're going to do is hit Alt-Tab, and if you hold Alt, you can tab through all of the applications you have open on your computer. Say you want to minimize everything really quick, all you have to do is hit Windows key M. Now say you want to split your screen equally between two different applications. All you have to do is hit the Windows key and hit left or right on the arrow keys, and that will assign your program to the left or right of the screen. And there we go. Now you can see my YouTube channel as well as the document we've been working with. To make one of these full screen, all you have to do is make sure that it's selected, hold the Windows key and press up. If you want to make it smaller again, hold the Windows key and press down. Now say you want to see everything you have open at one time. All you're going to do is hit Windows and Tab. That'll show you everything you have running on your computer, including extra desktops. If you want to open a virtual desktop, all you have to do is click New Desktop, and it'll create a virtual desktop. If you decide you're finished with your virtual desktop, all you have to do is go back to Windows tab and click X on the second desktop. If you want to quickly open your File Explorer, all you have to do is hit Windows E, and that will pull up your File Explorer. Say you don't want this window up anymore, simply press Alt F4. I'm not going to show you the magnifier or zoom in, zoom out shortcuts because I have the plus key set to stop and start recordings, but if you're on a web page and you press F5, it'll refresh the page. And if you click F11, it will make it full screen. Now say you're on YouTube and you want to know what their shortcuts are. All you have to do is hit Shift ? Alright, I hope that helped you guys. There are plenty of other keyboard shortcuts out there. Let me know in the comments if you have any that you like that I didn't mention, or if any of these have been particularly helpful to you. Another thing to note is different software has different shortcuts. However, most of the ones we went over will work in a lot of different programs. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a good one.